Welcome back. We are covering number 3 of 20 tips to get you started with Microsoft OneNote for Mac. And again, a lot of these are going to be very similar to OneNote in PC. There may be some slight differences and nuances there, but again, you'll get the general idea. And you can hopefully get going and you become more proficient in your meetings. But before we get started with number 3, add a to-do box. And again, this is going to be pretty quick and straightforward, but I want to encourage you to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Click the alert button and click the thumbs up, and we will hopefully find you back for the next videos and when you're alerted by clicking the alert button. So again, this is number 3, add a to-do box here. We're going to jump over to OneNote, and if you've watched the other videos, you'll understand what this is all about. But this one's pretty straightforward, okay? If you want to add a to-do box. And the reason you want to add a to-do box is if you're distributing notes, maybe you just want to put, just kind of call out and highlight, action items that are there. And the to-do box is a great way to do it because as things get finished, you can actually click the checkbox, which you'll see here. So there's 2 ways you can do it, okay? So number 1, you can go up to Format, and you can go down to tag, and then you can click to do. Okay. And there you'll see to the left of hello, my name is Inigo Montoya, the checkbox there, the to do box. And then you can see what happens when you click on and off. There's a little checkbox, a check mark that comes in there to let, to make sure things are updated so that as you're going back in your notes and things are getting done, you can actually complete them, and you can put the, a date here, in terms of when things get done, and then you're good. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you again this way of doing this. Just hit Control Z there. Again, we're going to go up to Format, and then we're going to go down to tag, and then we're going to go to do. Okay, so that's one way. The other way, and this may not be here, but again, you can see up here if you're on your home screen versus your insert. But if you're on your home screen here, if you're using the default setup there and you haven't done anything, you can also just click on the to-do box there, and same thing happens. So again, there's 2 different ways for you to add that to-do button, and I'm going to show you a third also. Right, let me show you this one again. Again, it's up here. You just click on the to-do, and there it is. Okay. And then the third one is Command 1, I believe it is, right? And so what I did there is I hit the Apple button, Command 1, and there you go. It shows up. So that's going to do it for this video's session in terms of adding a to-do box. And again, it's very helpful in terms of tracking if you have action items throughout your meeting and you just need a quick way to identify what those action items are. That's a strong way for you to do that. So again, before we go though, I'm going to encourage you to click the subscribe button, click the thumbs up, and click the alert button if you haven't already done it. And we will talk to you at our next video.